Welcome to Best Sellers Market, the ultimate destination for discovering top-rated products. Today, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling drivetrain tools on Amazon. Each product has earned its spot through exceptional performance and customer satisfaction. So, without delay, let's get started. Introducing the Bleepin' Jeep Yoke Wrench Tool, ranked number 5 in our countdown of the best-selling drivetrain tools on Amazon. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a crucial repair, and the tool in your hand feels like an extension of your arm. The Bleepin' Jeep Yoke Wrench Tool, with its impressive 12-inch length, ensures you reach those tight spots effortlessly. Weighing just 1.7 pounds, it's lightweight yet robust, making it a reliable companion for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. What sets the Bleepin' Jeep Yoke Wrench Tool apart? It's the precision-engineered box-end head style, designed to provide a secure grip on your yoke nuts, preventing slippage and ensuring you can apply maximum torque with confidence. This tool isn't just about functionality, it's about empowering you to get the job done efficiently and effectively. Crafted by the renowned brand Bleepin' Jeep, this yoke wrench tool is a testament to quality and durability. Whether you're working on your car, truck, or any drivetrain system, this tool is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use. The package includes one meticulously designed yoke wrench tool, ready to tackle your toughest jobs right out of the box. Bleepin' Jeep has created a tool that combines strength, precision, and convenience, all in one package. So, if you're looking to elevate your toolkit, the Bleepin' Jeep Yoke Wrench Tool is an essential addition. Don't just take our word for it. Thousands of satisfied customers on Amazon have made this their go-to choice for drivetrain maintenance. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, bringing you the top tools that make your projects smoother and more efficient. Next on our list, ranked at number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling drivetrain tools on Amazon, we have the massive Pro Kit Pinion Flange Holding Tool Holder Yoke Wrench. This tool isn't just a mouthful to say, it's a powerhouse in your hands, specifically designed for Jeep and Mustang enthusiasts, and compatible with the Ford 8.8 Flange. This Pro Kit isn't just any ordinary kit. It's a comprehensive package that includes a 1/2-20 grade 8-threaded pinion shaft center forcing screw, a flange holding tool, and a puller tool. But that's not all. Inside the custom-molded foam interior purple case, you'll also find Massive's BFB, or Big Freakin' Bar, featuring a vinyl grip handle for superior control. When we talk about durability, the Massive Pro Kit stands unmatched. Crafted from 3/8 inches thick steel, it's built to handle the immense torque required for the job. Unlike other brands like Rotec and All-Star, which use flimsy .250 inches steel and are prone to bending, Massive's design ensures you can tackle any challenge with confidence. Need more leverage? No problem. The kit includes a tube tang, allowing you to use approximately a 1-inch tube or pipe as an extended handle. Plus, with both 1/2 inches and 3/4 inches square drive compatibility, you have the versatility to use the tools you prefer. Proudly made in-house in the USA, this kit exemplifies quality and precision engineering. The Massive Pro Kit fits the immensely popular Ford 8.8 Flange, a claim that Rotec and All-Star tools simply can't make. This ensures that you have the right tool for one of the most common and demanding applications. This isn't just a tool. It's a game-changer for anyone serious about their drivetrain maintenance. Join the ranks of satisfied mechanics and DIYers who trust Massive for their toughest jobs. Stay with us as we continue to unveil the top tools transforming the way you work on your vehicles. Landing at number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling drivetrain tools on Amazon is the Grey Pneumatic 1/2 inches Drive X 19mm Extra Deep Socket, model 2019 XMD. This tool is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to make even the toughest jobs seem effortless. Let's dive into the details. With package dimensions of 3.302 centimeters in height, 17.78 centimeters in length, and 3.81 centimeters in width, this compact yet mighty tool is a must-have in your toolbox. Hailing from Taiwan, it brings together the precision and reliability that professionals demand. What makes this socket stand out? Its extra deep design allows you to reach bolts and nuts that are otherwise hard to access. This isn't just about convenience. It's about getting the job done right, every time. The 1/2 inches drive ensures a secure fit on your wrench, providing the torque you need without slipping. Weighing in at just 0.85 pounds, it's lightweight yet robust. The fit type is universal, meaning it's designed to work seamlessly with a variety of drivetrain components. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, the Grey Pneumatic Extra Deep Socket is versatile enough to handle it all. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this socket is built to last. Its durability means it can withstand the rigors of constant use, delivering consistent performance. Imagine the ease of working on your vehicle with a tool that feels just right in your hand, perfectly balanced and engineered for excellence. This is more than just a socket. It's a symbol of quality and dependability. The Grey Pneumatic Extra Deep Socket is trusted by professionals and hobbyists alike, earning its place as a top contender in our list. Stay tuned as we reveal the final 2 products in our countdown, each bringing their own unique features and capabilities to elevate your drivetrain maintenance game. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling drivetrain tools on Amazon? If you're revved up about these top picks, don't stall. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tools and tips.
Holding the prestigious number 2 spot in our countdown of the best-selling drivetrain tools on Amazon is the Grey Pneumatic 1/2 inches Drive X 15/16 inches deep socket, model 2030D. This tool is not just a necessity, it's a game changer for anyone serious about vehicle maintenance. Let's explore what makes this socket a standout. The package dimensions are 2.54 centimeters in height, 17.78 centimeters in length, and 7.62 centimeters in width, offering a compact yet powerful addition to your toolkit. Weighing in at just 0.249 kilograms, it's lightweight, but don't let that fool you. It's built to withstand serious torque. Why is this deep socket so special? First off, the 1/2 inches drive ensures a snug fit on your wrench, allowing you to apply the necessary force without worrying about slipping. The 15/16 inches size is perfect for those hard-to-reach places, making it an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Crafted with precision, this socket boasts a universal fit type, making it versatile enough to handle a wide range of drivetrain components. Whether you're working on a car, truck, or any other vehicle, this tool adapts to your needs with ease. The Grey Pneumatic 2030D is designed with durability in mind. Manufactured to the highest standards, it promises longevity and consistent performance. Imagine the confidence of working on your vehicle with a tool that not only feels right, but performs impeccably every single time. This isn't just another tool in your box, it's a reliable partner in your mechanical endeavors. Grey Pneumatic's attention to detail and commitment to quality shine through in every aspect of this deep socket. As we edge closer to revealing the top spot, keep in mind that the tools we've covered so far, including this remarkable deep socket, represent the pinnacle of excellence in drivetrain maintenance. Stay tuned for the final product that will complete our countdown of the best-selling drivetrain tools on Amazon.
And now, claiming the number 1 spot in our countdown of the best-selling drivetrain tools on Amazon, we have the RK Racing Chain UCT2100 Universal Chain Breaker, Cutter, Press Fit, and Rivet tool. This tool is the epitome of precision engineering and versatility, a true game changer for any mechanic or motorcycle enthusiast. Let's delve into why this tool reigns supreme. Imagine needing to break a chain, press fit side plates, or rivet a link. This tool does it all with unparalleled efficiency. Designed to quickly and easily break 40 and 50 type chains, it's your go-to for handling even the toughest jobs. The ability to press fit tight tolerance 40 and 50 O-ring chain side plates to the correct depth ensures a perfect fit for clip or rivet link installations. What sets the RK Racing Chain UCT2100 apart is its innovative design. Components lock into the tool body, and a larger pressure bolt makes the process smoother and more user-friendly, eliminating the frustration of dropped components. This thoughtful design enhancement means you can work with confidence and precision. But that's not all. The tool features a redesigned rivet flare pin with a flare guard to prevent over-riveting, ensuring that your chain is secured correctly every time. This level of detail speaks volumes about the quality and reliability of the RK Racing Chain UCT2100. The Sure Grip handle has been redesigned for comfort and control, and with the laser-engraved part number, you'll never have trouble identifying the tool you need. It's these small but significant features that make a big difference in your workflow, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. This tool isn't just about functionality. It's about transforming your experience. From breaking chains to riveting links, every aspect of the RK Racing Chain UCT2100 50 has been meticulously crafted to deliver outstanding performance. It's no wonder this tool has earned the top spot in our countdown. As we wrap up our top 5 best-selling drivetrain tools on Amazon, remember that each tool on this list represents the pinnacle of innovation and quality. But the RK Racing Chain UCT2100 50 stands out for its versatility, ease of use, and exceptional design, making it the ultimate choice for drivetrain maintenance. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling drivetrain tools on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers and never miss an update, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.